Hello dear all, this is Sadanand Kumar Malik, welcomes you all in entire physics. And today we will study about the uncertainty principle or uncertainty relation in terms of energy E and time T. As we know, as we know, the uncertainty principle in terms of position and momentum is given as del x into del p is nearly equals to h. So this is the general form or the initial form of uncertainty principle which we have proved in the previous topic, and in this topic we have to study about the uncertainty principle in terms of energy E and time t. So to prove this, let us consider a photon. Let us consider a photon of energy E is moving along x-axis with a velocity c, because the speed of light is c. Then suppose if x distance is covered by the photon in the time duration small t, suppose, then the velocity may be defined as the velocity of photon will be equal to the covered distance x upon the required time t. So from here we have c equals to x upon t, or we can write x equals to c into t. Therefore implies then we can write x equals to c into t. Now let us try to change the left hand side, then obviously right hand side will be changed. So here we can say, on changing the left hand side means del x will be equals to, but on the right hand side because c is constant it will not be changed, because the value of c is 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second, which is the speed of light. So here c will be unchanged, but t is the time, it may be changed here. So c del t, del x will be equals to c del t. So suppose equation number 1. Now we know the momentum p is given as p equals to mass into velocity, and the velocity of photon is c, so the momentum of photon will be m into c. Also we know that in case of photon means in relativistic limit the energy of photon will be given by Einstein's mass energy relation, that is equals to mc square. Now let us divide both sides of this equation by c, then we have left hand side as E by c is equals to right hand side will have the value m into c. Obviously m into c means p, so let us substitute the value of m into c in our equation. So we can write p equals to E upon c. Now because we have the value of momentum p, then let us change the left hand side, that is del p will be equals to, because on the right hand side c is the speed of light, this is constant, so it will not be changed, only E may be changed there. So we can write del E upon C. Suppose equation number 2. So we have equation 1 having the value of del X and equation 2 having the value of del P. Also we know the uncertainty relation in terms of position x and momentum p is as Del x into del p is nearly equals to h. Now let us substitute the value of del x and del p from equation 1 and 2. Then we have del x means here c into del t. So del x means c into del t. Similarly, del p means del e into del e upon c. So here del e upon c will be nearly equal to h. Now this c and this c will be cancelled out and we have del t into del e is nearly equals to h, and this is the uncertainty relation in terms of time and energy. So this is the required relation. This is the required relation which we have